अ वेरी गुड मॉर्निंग टू ऑल ऑफ यू। सो फ्रेंड्स, आज हमारे इंग्लिश लिटरेचर वन लाइनर सीरीज़ का डे 3 है। सो आइए स्टार्ट करते हैं। पामिला, क्लैरिसा एंड सर चार्ल्स ग्रैंडिसन आर epistolary novels by Samuel Richardson. The subtitle of Richardson's Pamela is Virtue Rewarded. Joseph Andrews is a picarous comic romance by Henry Fielding. Fielding's Tom Jones is described as a comic epic in prose. Squire Elworthy is a country gentleman who appears in Fielding's Tom Jones. Lawrence Stern's Tristram Shandy is considered the progenitor of the stream of consciousness technique. Horace Walpole, The Castle of Otranto, Inner Radcliffe's The Mysteries of Udolpho, William Beckford's Vathek and Gregory Levis' The Monk are examples of the Gothic romance. The famous character Sir Roger de Coverley is an imaginary old country gentleman in Addison's essays. The periodicals like The Tatler, The Spectator, The Guardian and The Englishman, etc. were started by Sir Richard Steele. Delilah and Manoa are characters in Milton's Samson Agonistes. The Good-Natured Man is an anti-sentimental comedy by Goldsmith. The Seasons is a transitional poem written by James Thomson. Robert Burns wrote the line, "My love is like a red rose." When curfew tolls the knell of parting day is the opening line of Thomas Gray's Elegy written in a country churchyard. The Bard and the Progress of Poesy are Pindaric Odes by Thomas Gray. Songs of Innocence and Songs of Experience were written by Blake. The Tiger is a poem by William Blake that is included in the collection Songs of Experience. Blake's poem The Lamb is from the collection Songs of Innocence. Next है The question, what immortal hand or eye could frame thy fearful symmetry, appears in The Tiger. Parson Adams, a character in Henry Fielding's picarous novel Joseph Andrews, is Joseph Andrews' travelling companion. The author of the female Quixote, The Adventures of Arabella, is Charlotte Lennox. Roderick Random is the first of the picarous novels by Scottish novelist Tobias Smollett. The Traveller, a semi-autobiographical poem, and The Deserted Village, a poem of social commentary, are by Goldsmith. The Mistakes of a Knight is the subtitle of Goldsmith's play She Stoops to Conquer. Charles Surface and Lady Sneerwell are characters in Sheridan's The School for Scandal. The first daily newspaper in English, which was started in 1702, is the Daily Courant. The 18th century critic who criticized Paradise Lost for its lack of human interest is Dr. Johnson. The imaginary old man who edited the first issue of the Tatler is Isaac Bickerstaff, a pseudonym Steele borrowed from Swift. The transitional poet who wrote in Scottish dialect was Robert Burns. The life and opinions of Tristram Shandy, Gentleman and a Sentimental Journey through France and Italy are novels by Lawrence Stern. The four wheels of the novel, according to Sainsbury, are Richardson, Fielding, Smollett and Stern. Lady Bellaston is a lusty aristocratic woman in Tom Jones. Pamela is an epistolary novel which has two parts. The full title of Henry Fielding's novel Tom Jones is The History of Tom Jones, a Foundling. Mr. Snape is a character in Fielding's novel Jonathan Wild, an ironic narrative of a notorious criminal's life. In Joseph Andrews, Henry Fielding imitated the style of Cervantes, the author of Don Quixote. The French dramatist who influenced Restoration comedy is Molière. Dryden's Absalom and Achitophel is written in heroic couplets. In The Rape of the Lock, Umbriel is a melancholy spirit. The editor of the periodical The Examiner is Leigh Hunt. The Lyrical Ballads was published in 1798. The Borderers is a play by William Wordsworth. The subtitle of Wordsworth's prelude is The Growth of a Poet's Mind. The fall of the prison of Bastille occurred on 14 July 1798. The opening line of Rousseau's The Social Contract is Man is born free, but everywhere he is in chains. The lines, O wind, if winter comes, can spring be far behind, are taken from Shelley's Ode to the West Wind. Milton, thou shouldest be living at this hour, is the beginning of the sonnet London 1802 by Wordsworth. The Tintern Navy is situated along the banks of River Wye. The poem Resolution and Independence by Wordsworth portrays an old leech gatherer. Michael, a pastoral poem, is a famous poem by Wordsworth from which George Eliot took the epitaph for her novel Silas Marner. The play Remorse was written by Coleridge. Coleridge's The Rhyme of Ancient Mariner is spoken by an old sailor to a young wedding guest. Next है The old sailor in Coleridge's The Rime of Ancient Mariner is cursed for having killed an albatross that helped the sailors. In the poem Kubla Khan, a stately pleasure dome built in Xanadu is described. The damsel with the dulcimer wailing for demon lover appears in Coleridge's poem Kubla Khan. Lecture on Shakespeare and Other Poets is a work by Coleridge. The subtitle of Coleridge's Kubla Khan is A Vision in a Dream, a Fragment. Keats called Wordsworth the egotistical sublime. Isles of Greek is a poem by Byron. The Prisoner of Chillon and Mazeppa are poems by Byron. Don Juan, a picarous novel in verse, is called an epic satire by Byron himself. Manfred is a blank verse tragedy by Byron. Wordsworth is called the high priest of romanticism. Beauty is truth, truth beauty, that is all ye know on earth and all ye need to know, are famous lines taken from Keats' Ode on a Grecian Urn. Frankenstein, a work of proto-science fiction, was written by Mary Shelley. Coleridge's Biographia Literaria, a biographical sketches of my literary life and opinions, was published in 1817. Queen Mab is an early poem by P.B. Shelley. Aleister, or the Spirit of Solitude, is a kind of spiritual autobiography written by P.B. Shelley. The Cenci is a tragedy by Shelley. Shelley's Ode to the West Wind is written in the season of autumn. So friends, आज की वीडियो में इतना ही. थैंक यू सो मच.